How to solve this problem? Here is the simple way to solve the problem.
Hi guys, today I'm here with 6 websites for online voice acting jobs. Most of the work from home opportunity required you to type or talk on phone calls like call center, but did you know that you can get paid to use your voice online? Yes, it's true. Whether you like to sing or do voiceover, there are quite a few opportunity to get paid to use your voice online. And here are the best site opportunity to utilize your and so you can start making money fast. So I have my first website. Voice acting job are taking the work from home market by storm. So here's the first website. This is voice.com, the world first marketplace for voiceover. And voice.com is a site that pays work from home voice-over actor. Voice is an award-winning site offering freelance opportunity for voice talent looking to work on audiobooks, e-learning videos, mobile apps, film projects, and more. You can sign up for free account or pay for a premium membership to get better ranking profile, allowing you to apply for more jobs. When you find opportunity you can audition for them online by sending an mp3 recording file. It pays well for voice over acting gigs. The range from $1000 to $100 to $1500, and this is bilingual. And second website is Voice Bunny. Voice Bunny is a voiceover platform, and this is also a great website so that you can earn online and find gigs in English and other language with different dialects. Voice talent is able to set their own rates. Clients find you profile, choose to book you. Applying for Voice Bunny is challenging because their requirements are restrict, but it's worth a try if you are looking for flexible and profitable online voiceover work and have experience. As you can see, it is very possible to get paid to use your voice and work from home, comfort from your own home. Most of these websites provide freelance opportunities, so you may want to try out more than one. And third one is Voice 123. This application process is quite depth. You need to pass the series of tests to get approved. Once you approved, you will get started from $31 to $100 or $1000, and the lowest rate for this is $31. And your profile will be showcased to the prospective clients, and clients will choose you and they pay you. And after that, fourth one is Boltegalo. Bodelgo, voice actor for on studio award-winning online casting, uh, has a voiceover talent base of over 7500 people. Once you register online and get accepted, you can go through the post-grad project and send your demo samples with your rates. If selected, the clients contact you directly, and you can start the project and earn from that. After that, fifth one is Narrate Books with ACX. Has anyone ever told you that you had a great voice? Perhaps you can make money narrating audiobooks. ACX is a site that helps authors turn their books into audiobooks. Narrator who wish to get paid for audio recordings, the opportunity can create a profile on the site, upload samples, and start applying for gigs. And after that, sixth one is takelesson.com. If you have a singing background, you can earn money by offering online singing lesson to students from all over the country. Takelessons.com allow you to offer voice training lesson and classes that takes place solely online. just create a professional profile on the website that showcase your skills and ability. Then the tech lessons will handle the booking and payment for your students. So you all you need to do is teach. You have a complete flexible over planning and your schedule, so you can set appointment to teach students wherever you would like to. So these are 6 website for online voice acting jobs where you can learn from your own comfort from your home. And these are the absolutely work from home jobs. And I will give description about I'll give all links in the description so that you will directly go to this website. And just like, share and subscribe if you like this type of video. Just comment so that I will make these types of video after 1 or 2 days. Thank you.